Okay, here's a pretty cool bird trap. If you want to trap some little birds, here you put the food on the other side, and then here you can see it goes down here, and then on the other side of that board there's a little hole down there with a fence on it. And then what happens is the bird comes, land right here, walk in, step on here, trying to go to the other side. What happens is this goes down, boom, like that. So what happens there, it has nowhere to go, and then it has to jump out that little door right there, and that's where they end up, in here. And then you don't just catch one, catch two, catch three, just like this. Pretty cool, huh?
They'll come for it.
It's just like a teeter totter.